about the different and unique idea of plants which we can grow in our jars. Jar plant. Today my topic is jar plant. I hope you like all my ideas which I gave you. Please like my YouTube channel. For more updates, like, share and comment my YouTube channel. Firstly, I am going to tell you about the flower pot or jar plant. A flower pot or planter or a plant pot is a container in which flowers and other plants are cultivated and displayed. This method is very useful and unique. Please like my YouTube channel.